Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get current date in N8N. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To begin, open your preferred web browser and log into N8N website. Once on the N8N site, next, you should navigate to the N8N Editor UI. This is the central hub where you can create and manage your workflows. In the Editor UI, you'll want to click on the Add Node button. This action will open a panel displaying various nodes that you can add to your workflow. In our case, we are interested in finding the node that can provide us with the current date. You can either scroll through the list or use the search function. Simply type in current date to narrow down your options. Once you find it, click on it to add it to your workflow. And that's about it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully added a node that retrieves the current date in N8N. So that is how you can get current date in N8N. So that's all for this video. Thanks.